Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
For today, I'm making a preserved olive fried rice with minced pork. So let's review the ingredients. I have day-old rice. This is the preserved olive, and it's actually a mixture of mustard greens and some seasonings. And it comes in a octagon container here. And the front is all written in Chinese, but when you flip it over, it says preserved mustard greens with olive. And this can be found in the canned vegetable section of the Asian market. And the preserved olives taste nothing like the European olives that we associate with, like Kalamata or green olives. This has a savory and earthy taste to it. It's going to provide a really nice taste to the fried rice. This is ground pork, yellow onion, garlic, green onion, cilantro, seasoning salt, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and dark soy. For the prep, let's start with mincing the garlic. Okay, that's done. We'll also give the onion a quick mince. We'll mince the green onions also. And we'll give the cilantro a quick mince. And with the preserved olive, sometimes there are pits inside the mixture, so remove it before using. And for the ground pork, we'll season it as we're cooking it. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have my pan set at a medium-high heat. Let's add oil. And we'll cook up the pork first. Add the garlic too. We'll add the seasoning right on the pan here. A little bit of seasoning salt, sesame oil. I like to add a little bit of dark soy, just to give it some color. And use the spatula to break up the clumps of ground pork. And we'll cook this for about a minute. And you also want to cook off the moisture. And this looks good. So let's remove it from the pan. And to the pan, we'll just add a little extra oil. We'll give the onions a quick saute. Heat is still set on medium-high. Let's add the rice. And break up any clumps. Add a bit of the seasoning salt. Sesame oil, white pepper, add the preserved olive, and the preserved olive gives the rice a really interesting kind of dark green hue. We'll add the pork, onions, and cilantro. And we'll splash with the Shaoxing wine.
Give this a good toss. And stir fry this for about a minute just to combine all the flavors. And this looks really good. Give it a taste. That's good. Okay, so this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's plate this. This smells wonderful.
And here we have a delicious plate of preserved olive fried rice with minced pork. It has a rich, savory, earthy flavor. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Enjoy. Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves fried rice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.